Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to do a cute little project share of this adorable little mini album I created, and I made this using up scraps from this Hello Autumn collection. This is from Cartabella, and I just had scraps left over, so I created this cute little 4x4 size mini album. I'm going to show you guys the inside, and then there will be a process video coming up showing you guys how I made this from start to finish and how I let my scraps kind of determine my pages and my layout in here. And there is not going to be a cutting guide for this just because I'm letting my scraps do all the work, and it's really going to depend on what scraps you have. But the reason I'm not doing a cutting guide is so that you guys could kind of learn how to use your scraps, following along with kind of what I'm doing and how I'm using my scraps to make a beautiful project like this. So let's get started, and I'll share with you guys what it looks like on the inside. And just so you guys know, this project, this little 4x4 mini album is available in my Etsy shop in case you guys are interested in purchasing it. It is a fall themed cute little mini album. So that's what it looks like on the front. I did my stitching here. I added a couple of flowers and some enamel dots, the spine, and then the back side. It's got our cute little ribbon tie closure. And then this opens up and it looks like this. So here we have a cute little flap that says gather together. This flips open this way and you could add some photos, and it has a cute little like pull tab so that somebody knows to open that page. Then here it says fall memories. We've got a tag in here that you could journal on or add a photo to the back to, and a little cut apart that says fall is here. Or you could just tuck in other like smaller photos into this belly band. So that lives there. Then this flips. Here I've got a little pocket with a cute little booklet. You could add a photo or do journaling and add a photo here. And then you could probably add in another photo in there as well. And then I've got another pull tab closure that opens up like that, and you could add a photo and another photo there. Then this page says Grateful Hearts. It's got a little pull tab closure at the bottom that flips open, and then we've got a little pocket, and inside that pocket we have a tag and this cute little cut apart. And then this flips to the next page, and I have quite a bit of magnets in here, which you guys will see how I made that in the tutorial. But this page flips, and then here is just a tucked kind of tag in this little page there, and then you could add a full-size photo here. And then this last page, which is the inside back cover, I've just got this angled pocket here with a tag and a little cut apart that says from the heart. So you could add a couple more photos in here as well. Actually, I might go back and make, I think I might make a little booklet for that. But yeah, so you guys are going to be able to see how I made this from start to finish in a process video, but it's a cute little 4x4 album. I hope you guys do check out that process video. I wanted to just share this with you guys real quick. It's a cute little, you know, album, but I definitely wanted to show you guys, and then if you guys are interested in watching the process video, you guys could do that. But yeah, great way to use up some of our scraps. And I had these ones laying around on my table and they needed to get used up. So I don't have a lot of scraps left, which I will show you guys, and you guys will see what I started off with in the process video. But I have this piece here, I have this longer piece, I have this piece, this little square, this one, and then a couple of these pieces. And then I have some stickers, but I don't have a lot of scraps left. I really try to use up as many as I can. Oh, actually, I also have this other one, this guy right here. And this I could use as a couple of cut aparts. or I could use it on the back side for this. So that is probably going to be either a card or two that I make with the rest of those scraps, or I don't know. I probably will make a couple of cards and that's it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little project share, quick little project sharing with you guys what I made. And definitely stay tuned for the next video that will go up, which is going to be the process video of this. Now it's already linked down below in the description box, but you guys won't be able to actually like see the video. It'll say it's private up until it's actually posted, if you guys are watching this the day that I post this one. But if you're watching like a few days later, the other one should already be posted. So just check the link down below. If it's clicks and it lets you watch the video, it's already posted. If it says private, that other video has not yet been posted. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.